And approximately 10,500 BC, there was a group called the Templar Melchizedeks, and they were pooling energy. The need for greed leads to more need. And this is how Atlantis literally, pulling on the energy from the core of Mother Earth, exploded, and there was a flood. Noahs, Atlantis, Noah. It was a regional flood. And then from Atlantis, once the only three remaining pieces, right, are like near in the Bahamas. Right? Actually, Sarasota, Florida is parts of that too. And a lot of it is underground. And so also like in Portugal, for example, the Azure Islands, right? Part of Atlantis. It blew up. Right? And then so there was this flood and a migration to Egypt. And once the cellular memory was erased, in 5,500 BC in Saqqara, Egypt, they literally, when they control the gates, Stargate 4, they could control and scramble the DNA. And once they scramble the DNA, human beings forget that they have 12 strands of DNA. Human beings forget that they're eternal. Human beings forget their cellular memory. And when that happens, then from Sirius B, there's these Anunnaki beings who come down, and they're big, and they can do things that human beings can't. And they say, hey, look at us. Worship us. And then they change the history. And they say, we're pharaohs. Worship and bow down to us. And then they create slave races. And then once again, the same pattern, guys. They rape the woman. Why? Because they do not have the DNA coding for the Stargates.
Click the link in the bio if you're ready to shift into your highest spiritual destiny. And when I say shift into your highest spiritual destiny, I'm not joking. So if you're ready, click the link in the bio. I'll see you on the inside.